Welcome to Build Your Anatomy today. We're diving deep into the world of biceps curls. This exercise is not only pivotal for developing arm strength and aesthetics, but also enhances performance in various physical activities. Stay tuned as we break down the correct technique, explore various variations, and discuss the do's and don'ts to maximize your results. Make sure to watch until the end for all the essential details. Understanding the biceps muscle. The biceps brachii, commonly known as the biceps, is a prominent muscle located at the front of the upper arm, comprising two heads, the long and the short head. This muscle plays a crucial role in the flexion and rotation of the forearm, and is actively involved in exercises such as rows, pull-ups, and prominently in arm curls. Beyond aesthetics, strong biceps are functional. They act as supportive muscles during compound movements like the bench press. The importance of biceps curls. Biceps curls are fundamental for building upper arm strength and aesthetic definition. This exercise targets not only the biceps but also fortifies the forearm muscles and grip strength. By strengthening the biceps, you enhance your performance in sports that require arm activity, such as rowing and throwing. Furthermore, well-developed biceps improve your ability in other weightlifting exercises by supporting the back muscles during rows and pull-ups. Exercise variations. Standing biceps curl. A classic exercise that can be performed using dumbbells, a straight barbell, or an EZ bar. This variation allows for good range of motion and variable grip positions. Seated biceps curl. By sitting, you eliminate body momentum, which helps focus the effort on the biceps more directly. Incline biceps curl. Performed on an incline bench to enhance the stretch and contraction of the biceps at different angles. Hammer curl. Targets both the biceps and the brachialis, a muscle that lies beneath the biceps, enhancing the overall thickness of the arms. Scott bench curl. Performed with the arms resting on a bench, which isolates the biceps and minimizes involvement of other muscles. To execute a biceps curl effectively, stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Grip a dumbbell with arms at your sides. Curl the weight while keeping your elbows close to your body and focus on a controlled movement. Avoid common pitfalls such as using momentum to lift the weight, selecting inappropriate weights, overtraining the biceps, and neglecting rest, which is crucial for recovery and growth. Understanding the proper technique and incorporating a variety of curls into your workout regimen can drastically improve your biceps development and overall upper body strength. Remember, consistency is key in any training program, but so is proper form and recovery. Don't miss out on more fitness tips and tricks. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for Build Your Anatomy. Explore our channel for more guides and tutorials to help you build a stronger, more balanced body.